Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are welcome back on Samity's channel for mathematics, and we are working on fractions. So we are having a question here. We are talking about evaluate 1 over 6 plus 2 over 5. Evaluate 1 over 6 plus 2 over 5. So there is a question we are talking about today, and let us go straight to the solution. So we are supposed to copy the question again over here. 1 over 6 plus 2 over 5. So in fractions, we are having two ways of doing this. First, we can use the LCM format. Let us use the LCM format by finding the LCM of the denominators over here. So the LCM of 6 and 5 is 30. 6 and 5 is 30. So 6 times 5 giving us 30, right? So 30. So there is our LCM, and now we are going to proceed with it. So since we have our LCM to be 30 over here, 6 goes into 30, that is 6 divides 30 5 times. So we'll be having 5 times. So this 5 multiplying the numerator over here, which is 1. So we have 5 times 1, and this sign between them plus. So this 5 also goes into 30, that is 5 divides 36 times. So you'll be having 6, put them into bracket, times the numerator over here, which is also 2. So it's equal to, let's simplify whatever we have over here. 5 times 1 is giving us 5, plus 6 times 2 is giving us 12. So all over 30. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let us proceed by simplifying further. 5 plus 12 is giving us 17 and over 30. So hope this is a very simplified form, and we cannot simplify further. So this is the first method of calculating for this question. Or I like to give my viewers other alternatives. So let us copy the question again to use a second method to solve this same question, so you get much understanding of this work. All right, so let us proceed over here. So we write equal to, we are about to work this same question, and we should get the same answer as this one, so that we will know that the formula we are using as our second formula is also right. So let us proceed. What we do is that we cross multiply. So this one will multiply this 5, and plus this 2 will also multiply this 6, and the denominators will also multiply. So let's start from this crossing to multiply 5. So 1 times 5 over here. So you're having 1 times 5 over here into a bracket, plus, since the sign is positive over here, so this 6 and this 2 is also cross multiplying. So you're having 6 times 2 over here. So as we have 1 times 5 on top here plus 6 times 2 is all over. So you're having 6 times also 5. The denominators also have to multiply. So you're having 6 times 5 also at the denominator section. And so let us simplify. 1 times 5 here gives us 5, plus 6 times 2 here gives us 12, all over 6 times 5 giving us 30. Let us simplify further. 5 plus 12 over here should give us 17 over 30 over here. So ladies and gentlemen, viewers, we all see that the two answers are the same, proving to us that they are the same, or there are alternative methods to give us the same solution, and they are all right. You can use any of them to work for this same question, and you have your answers right. Make sure you follow. So we are done with the first question and the fractions over here. So let us also try a second question also here. Alright, so this is the second question also over here. We are having solve 2 over 5 plus 5 over 6 and minus 1 over 3. So this one seems to be quite complicated, right? So as I've always told you, you copy the question over here. So you're having 2 over 5 plus 5 over 6 minus 1 over 3. So what we do is that we use the LCM format also over here. So let us choose our LCM. So LCM of 5, 6, and 3. Since 3 goes into 6 2 times, so 3 is a factor of 6, right? So we can multiply 5 and 6 to get our LCM, which is 30. And all of these will divide 30 without any remainder. Alright, so let's continue. So 5 goes into 30. We are having 6 times. So times the 2, which is our numerator over here. The numerator over here. What we do is that there is a positive sign here. We write the positive sign. Don't forget the signs. Then we are also having 5 over 6 over here. So 6 goes into 30 also 5 times. That is 6 divides 35 times. So times this numerator, which is also 5. So 5 times 5. That is what you have over here. And there is a negative sign over here. We bring it minus. 3 also goes into 30 10 times. 3 divides 30 10 times without any remainder. So 10 times this numerator 1 is equal to, alright, so let's continue to simplify further. So 6 times 2 here gives us 12 plus 5 times 5 over here is giving us 25 minus 10 times 1 also gives us 10 all over our 30, which is the LCM we found. Alright, we come down here, is equal to, let's simplify further. So we are having 12 plus 25 minus 10. You can use your calculator or your mind to do that. Alright, so upon simplifying the numerator, so 12 plus 25 minus 10, we are getting 27 over the denominator, which is 30. We get to know that this is not the simplified version of this fraction because it can be simplified further, and we can simplify by dividing through by 3. 3 is a factor of 4. So when we divide through by 3, the numerator becomes 3 dividing 27, we get 9, and 3 dividing 30, we get 10. So this becomes the simplified version. Alright, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like, share, and comment. Come here all time to work on math and learn more. Thank you. Alright, viewers, thank you very much. Please subscribe for more videos from this channel. Bye.